Myself Megha Mallal, UR15CS34. This is a C++ program to find the intersection and union of two arrays. An array is a collection of similar data types stored in continuous memory locations. The intersection means the elements both common in array 1 and array 2. That is the intersection of elements, and the union means all the elements in array 1 and array 2, but one element will not be displayed two times. It will be displayed only at one time. So this is the main program. Here I have declared two arrays A and B, and N and M is the size of the arrays. M is the size of the first array and N is the size of the second array. Here I have used for loop to accept the first sorted array. So first we have to enter the size of the first array by the variable M. Then we have to enter the first sorted array using for loop, and here then next we have to enter the size of the second array by N, and then we have to enter the second sorted array using for loop. This is and this is uh, the for loops to find the elements in the intersection. First it will display the elements in the intersection R, and using for loop it will display the elements in the intersection. And the elements in the intersection means the elements found both in A and B array. So here I have used an if statement. So if the element found in A is also there in B, it will display the element. So here when I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, if a of 0 is equal to b of 0, it will display a of I. And in the next iteration a is equal to 0 and j will be equal to 1. So if a of 0 equal to b of 1, it will display a of I. So this iteration will continue as soon as the condition is false, and display all the elements in the intersection. This is used to find the union of the elements using for loop. So for I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and j equal to 0 to j less than n. If the elements in a of I is not there in b of j, it will display the elements in a of I. And here in that way, in different iterations, all the elements in the A of I will be displayed, and the elements which are not found in the A of I will be displayed here using this condition. If I equal to j, the elements which is not there in the first array will be displayed, which is there in the second array. Now we can run the program and see. Enter the size of the first array. Suppose if it is 5, enter the first sorted array 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to enter the size of the second array. If it is 4, 2, 3, 5, 6. So the elements which is found in the intersection of the array will be displayed 3, 5, 6. These three elements are found both in the first array and the second array, and the element which both in the arrays 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7, and 3, 5, 6 is only displayed only one time. This is the program. This can be used to find the elements in intersection and union. It will be helpful in the mathematical equations and the functions. Thank you.